Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Okay guys, I'm out here doing an update on these pepper and bean pole plant. Here go the pepper. It opened up into a flower. Wait. It's white flower. So is it a white flower? Is that bell pepper? Oh. Anybody know? Let's see. Oh. It's facing down. Okay, it's a white flower. Is it bell pepper, y'all? Bean. That's what's going on. There's flowers on it. What does that mean? Is that beans? Can anybody tell me? On this bean pole plant, is this bean or is this a flower? No, I think it's bean. Trailing on up. And this one, no flowers yet. Is this a healthy stalk? The second planter. Something eating it, probably them dang worms, caterpillars you call them. But white flowers on the bean plant, supposedly. Uh-oh. Okay. I'll move the camera like this. Sorry, guys. Gotta move stuff over. Okay. Look how big that leaves getting on that dang. Why is my camera so blurry? The leaves on this dang avocado plant big, and this plant is so tall now. This might be a tomato, but I don't recognize the leaves. Or it might be sunflower, I don't know. What y'all think? Uh-oh, something is going on, y'all. I gotta get this spider web out the way so y'all can see. I think my burro's tail is flowering. Check it out. Right there. Burro's tail got flowers. Right there. That's the burro's tail. I've never seen flowers on this plant before. You guys ever seen a flowering burro's tail? Oh, it's a bunch of them on there. I didn't even know. But there they are. What y'all know about that? What you know about that? Oh. Oh. Got to turn around, y'all. Carefully. The herbs back there still hanging on. Hopefully some more come up in a minute. What's that? I'm reviving this plant. Forgot the name of it, but I think it's trying to come back alive. It just needs some water. This plant here, I don't know. This plant, I don't know if it's flower or what, but it's going up this pole. Rosemary trying to hang on, not rosemary, lavender trying to hang on. And there go my nasturtium getting bigger. This, it gotta be a geranium, I think. I don't know what it is, y'all. And here go the plant I told y'all look like celery. Ouch. Y'all think that's a celery plant or what? The leaves look like celery. All right, thanks for coming back. I got to go. Any new friends, y'all gotta remember, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the thumbs up, tell me what number you are. Subscriber, what number are you? Thumbs up, what number are you? Tell me you hit the notification bell to get see when my videos come up. Invite me to your channel. All right, trolleys, become a friend and stop being a troll. Thank you, returning supportive subscribers. Thanks for your time and support.